Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In today's class, let us continue exercise number 5.3. Okay children, so question number 7. The students of class 8 of a school donated rupees 2,401 in all for Prime Minister National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Find the number of students in the class. Means number of students in the class that I don't know. The some number of students in the class donated how much rupees means I know. 2,401 rupees they donated. Okay. So then for what sake? For Prime Minister National Relief Fund. How they donated the rupees? Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. How many students are there in the class? Okay, if 10 students are there means children, each student had to give how much rupees? 10 rupees. Each student amount is how much rupees? 10 rupees. If 100 students are there means how much they have to give for relief fund? Each student should give 100 rupees like that. Is it okay? That means how many students are there in that class? Each student had to give that many rupees. Can you make out children? So 100 students are there means each student should give 100 rupees. 10 students are there means each student should give 10 rupees. If there is no number of students means X children are there means X students are there means each child should give how much rupees? X rupees. Can you make out children? Can you make out? See here. If there are 10 students. If there are 10 students in the class means each student will give a same number of rupees. In the sense 10 rupees. Each student. Okay. So 100 students are there means each student will give 100 rupees. Like that only if there are X students are there means each student will give X rupees. Like that. I don't know how many students are there. Okay, so what can I take here? See, find the number of students in the class. Let's take it as let the number of students. Let the number of students in the class. How many are there? X students. I don't know how many are there. So I will take it as X. Let us assume as X students are there. So amount, each student should give how much you know? Same number of students. In the sense, amount donated by each student. Each student has to donate how much rupees? How many number of students are there? That many rupees. In the sense, X rupees. Each student should donate X rupees. X students are there. Is it okay? So now, total amount, how much they have given? Total amount given by them is rupees 2,401. Total amount in the sense, what is that you know? Here see everyone. Each student and rupees, okay. Each student will give X rupees. Means each student gives X rupees. Means how many students are there in the class? X student will give how much rupees? How much rupees means X into X rupees. So total amount of rupees is X into X. Can you make out children? So total amount is given there 2,401 can be written like this. X into X is equal to 2,401. Okay children? So now why X into X came? Each student give X rupees. Means X students will give how much rupees? X into X rupees. That is total rupees given is X into X can be written as 2,401. Now X into X is how much? X square is equal to 2,401. Square goes, square root comes. What is the square root of 2,401? You have to take the LCM. Okay, let us take the LCM of this. Square big number cannot be by heart properly. So you can write like this. You can take the LCM. So which table is there? 3 table if I take, is it divisible? Let us see. 3, how much are 24? 3 8s are 24. 3 how much are 0? Zeros are. 3 how much are 1? Not possible. Correct, no children? Not possible means I cannot divide with this. So then which number can I divide? I can take 5. It's a prime number. But any number divisible by 5 must be end with 5. There is no 5 means it is not divisible by 5. Then you can divide by 7. Let us see 7 table again. 7 how much are 24? 7 3s are 21. 22, 23, 24. 3 carry. 7 4s are 28. 29, 30. 2 carry. 7 3s are. So again 7 how much are 34. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 34. 7 4s are 28 means 6 carry. 7 how much are 63. 7 9s are. Again 7 7s are. 7 1s are. See, it is a perfect square because it's having a partner. Will you agree? So now x can be written as square root of 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So what is the answer? 7 into 7 twice there means what is the value of x can be written? 7 into 7 once you right? 7 into 7 once you right? 7 7s are 49. So what is the final answer? X is equal to 49. What is 49? That is the number of students in the class. How many are there? X. X means how many? 49 is the final answer. Can you make out children? Therefore the number of students in the class 49. How many students are there in the class? 49 students are there in the class. Okay children? Hope you all understood. See here. How many students are there? X students are there. Means each student will give how much rupees? Same number of rupees. That is X rupees itself. Okay? So total how can we find out? Each student will give X rupees means X student will give how much? X into X rupees. Total amount is given already 2401. Total can be written as product like. Okay? X into X is equal to 2404. X into X is X square. Square root square comes. What is the square root of 2401? It is 7 into 7, 49. Like this. Work out many number of times so that you can understand it very clearly. Is it okay? So now let us move to the next problem, children. Okay, write the next problem. Question number 8. Here, question number 8 says what? 2025 plants. 2025 plants are to be planted. Planted in a garden. In such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Number of rows. Find the number of rows. Find the number of rows. Find the number of rows and the number of plants. And the number of plants in each row. Okay, this is also same type of problem, children. So what you have to see here, 2025 plants are there total. Okay, are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contain as many plants as the number of rows. What is the meaning is, rows are there. If there are 5 rows, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. In each row, how many plants they have to plant, you know? How many rows are there? That many plants you have to plant. Means 5 rows are there, means each row 5 plants, like this. If 10 rows are there, means each row 10 plants. Same number of plants as the rows. How many rows are there? That many plants you have to plant in each row. In each row, that is the main thing. Can you make out, children? So now, here see, find the number of rows. How many rows are there? Don't know. And the number of plants in each row. In each row, how many are there also? Don't know. Two questions, don't know. Okay, method will be the same as we did last. Okay, previous sum. So now see here, what you have tried. I don't know both. No can be taken as let the number of rows be x. X rows are there. Okay. Salugalu. X rows are there. Then what is the number of plants in each row? That later we will find out. Okay, children? So first let us see how many rows are there in that. Okay. After that, how many rows are there? That many plants you have to plant in each row. That means number of plants planted in each row. Planted in each row. Each row, same number of plants. How many rows are there? X plants. Same number of plants. X plants. Same number of plants you have to plant in each row. Okay, how many rows are there? That many plants. Okay, so now, what is the total plants? Can we find out by cross multiplication? See here rows, here plant. Each row, how many plants? X plants are there. Each row X plants are there. Means X rows, how many plants are there? That is X into X plants. Okay, these total plants are X into X plants are there. But total plants they are given here. Total plants, how many they planted? Total plants. How many are there? 2025 plants are there. Okay, that means total how to find out? X into X is equal to 2025. X into X is how much? X square is equal to 2025. Square goes, square root comes. Square root of 2025. How to find the square root of bigger number? By taking the LCM. 2025. Okay, which table you have to use? 5. Because last number is 5. 5 how much are 20? 5 fours are 20. 5 how much are 2? Not possible. What you tried? 0, children. Okay, then 25. 5 how much are 25? 5 5s are 25. Again divide by 5. 5 how much are 40? 5 8s are. 5 1s are. Now 81 comes in 3 table because 8 plus 1 is 9. No, it is divisible by 3. 3 how much are 8? 3 2s are 6. 2 carry. 3 7s are. Then 3 table again. 3 9s are. 3 3s are. 3 1s are. See, having a partner or not? Yes. 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 Right now, children. So now can be written as x is equal to 5 into 5. 3 into 3. 3 into 3. See, all partners are there means you can write it once. 5 5 write as one time. 3 write one time. 3 write one time. This is taking the square root very are 15, 15 3s are 45. How many? X means who? Number of rows. X rows. How many rows are there? 45 rows are there. So you have right here. Therefore, the number of rows. Number of rows is equal to. Number of rows is equal to 45. In each row, how many plants? Same number of plants. 45 plants. Okay. So right here, number of plants. Number of plants. In each row. In each row, how many? 45 plants. 45 rows, 45 plants which you can understand. Same type of question children. Work out at home many number of times so that you can understand very clearly. Okay, after understanding this, let us move to next problem. Okay children. Now let us do question number 9. Okay children. See here, find the smallest square number that divisible by each of the number 4, 9 and 10. Okay children. So now what is the question? Find the smallest square number. You have to find the smallest square number. That number is divisible by 4, 9 and 10. Okay. So let us see which number is that. To do that, first we will write what is given here. Right here, given numbers are 4, 9 and 10. 4, 9 and 10. So take the LCM of that. 4, 9 and 10. Which table you have to use? 2 table. 2 how much are 4? 2 2s are 4. 2 how much are 9? Not possible. 2 table. 9 not coming. Then write as it is. By taking the LCM you can do it like this. Okay. 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are. Again. Divide by 2. 2 how much are 2? 2 1s are 2. 2 how much are 9? Not possible as it is. 2 how much are 5? As it is. Okay, now divide it by 3. 3 how much are 9? 3 3s are. 3 how much are 5? Not possible as it is. Then next table 3. Can I use 3 table children? 3. 3 how much are 1? 3 1s are 1 only. No, not really. 3 how much are 3? 3 1s are 3. 3 how much are 5? Not possible as it is. Then again 5 table will take 5. 5 1 time 3 1s are 5 how much are 5? 1s are 1 1 1 completes. You have to stop here. Listen to me clear. Now what is LCM of this? LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Can I write here? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 5 don't have a partner here. That means which number I will get is not a perfect square number. But I want a smallest perfect square number. Square number I want. But now I am getting one number that is not a perfect square. Why? Because 5 don't have a partner. 5 is having a partner. Then it will be a perfect square number I am getting. So now we don't have means which is that number? Let us see. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. 60 into 3. 180. So what is the answer? 180 is the answer. 180 is not a perfect square number because 5 don't have a partner here. Yes, no? So then what you have to write? 180 is not the answer for me. I want smallest perfect square. But this is not a perfect square at all. Okay. So 180 is not a perfect square. So to make it a perfect square, what should I do children? To make it a perfect square, I will multiply by 5 or not. 180 into 5 is I will get one perfect square. So to make it a perfect square, multiply 180 by 5. Okay, why 5 you know? You don't have a partner. Okay, so 180 into 5. Multiply 5 zeros are 0. 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 4 9. So what is the answer? 900. This is a perfect square, children? Yes. Why? Because 30 square is 900. 30s are 900. Perfect square. It is a perfect square. Yes. Then which is the smallest square number that is divisible by 4, 9 and 10? That is 900. Okay, children? Therefore 900 is the smallest perfect square number. Divisible by 4, 9 and 10. Okay, 4 table 900 comes. Take it home. 9 table also 900 comes. Even 10 table also 900 comes. So it is 900 is divisible by 4, 9, 10. So it is the smallest square number. It is divisible by 11. Is it okay? So after understanding this, one more problem is there. It is question number 10 as a homework. You have to do this. Is it okay? So homework. What is that? Question number 10. Page number 83. Okay, same type of question is there that you have to do it. Is it okay? If you don't have a partner, with that all you have to multiply this. If it is 2, don't have a partner, 3, don't have a partner, 2 into 3 only you have to multiply. 2 don't have a partner, 3 don't have a partner, 5 don't have a partner, means 2 into 3 into 5 only you have to multiply. Check that which type of question is that. Okay, children? So, after understanding this, let us move to next exercise in the next class. Till then, take care.